Manipur sin mathungnaba pangthoknabagum Chingmi-Tammi Amatani Machin-Manaoni Haiba Utpa Mera Hou-Chongbagi Thouram Thoubal District ki CHARANGPAT leba Rural Youth Development Organization RYDO gi ground da Pangthokkhre. RYDO CHARANGPAT na sinduna pangthokpa thauram aduda Administrative Committee CHARANGPAT Jila Parishad ki member Saugrakpam Japan Singha, Sorakhaibam Gunni Singha, Social Worker KH Premnath Singha, KH Robin Singha, CHARANGPAT Gram Panchayat ki Pradhan SH Joychan Singha, Village Mantri Mingthing Kaishing, Village Secretary Yuingam Chithung Amadi, Village Authority Mr. Unishan na mathang sitna athoiba mithunglen, Thauram-mapu Amadi akhanaba mithunglen sing oina saruk yakhi. Tangkhul Khulengi Tangkhul Ichininaw sing su laktuna saruk yakhiba thauram aduda Chingmi-Tammi Machin-Manawgi oiba khudolpot sing lanakhi. Nat ki oiba jagoi isai na mapung oina pangthokpa thauram aduda Maitai nupi amadi Tangkhul nupi gi oiba football match amasu sanakhi.
Tangkhul gi chinaw singa tambi ro utpi ba television ko ba jawai asi atai kare subut